Cry Freedom Soundbite number 53, Monday, the 19th of February 2018. Pensive thoughts and thinking ponders, how my captivated mind it wanders. Under stones and pages turned, all that came before is burned. Sleight of hand and wool much pulled, as the flocks forever culled. Secrets and lies to deceive a race, to take away their shining grace. Idolic gods who want it all, prepared to trip and make us fall. History altered and spun to control, smiling with relish in their role. A bloodline created to keep us down, led by clergy, politicians and crown. Rewards aplenty, gold and land, carefully executed, extensively planned. Mirrors abound and holes of rabbits, know our ways and document our habits. Herded cattle farmed to feed, energy drained for all they need. Constant battle and never-ending war, upon the masses they implore. Time for brave lions to rise and shake, sleep from eyes for every sake. For we are gods beneath the splice, our DNA did pay the price. But now the hidden codes will break, as true history we will make. Genesis, genes ISIS, gene splicing at a lower sequencing level in human avatar body, with hidden memory codes within DNA. Our spiritual DNA is linked to a higher pattern of awareness. This pattern is called the soul. The human body is a projection of the fourth dimension, the transmigration of the soul. Spiked with a lower DNA and enduring the creation of confusion through the initiation of a bloodline of quote-unquote royals, hive mind, a ruling hierarchy over the masses to ensure they would never unify. Always to be divided and controlled through confusion, animosity and war, brother against brother, sister against sister. Sound familiar? Some of the information extracted from The Divine Secret Garden, Part 2 by John Pinella. Our DNA is a Baaaacode, like microchipping a dog, huh? Our DNA therefore is our microchip, hence we are already marked. Eyes to see will set us free.